This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Automania. Checking out Frankie, who is the MC par excellence at your drag shows, at Bloomsburg, and at Drag Fest. Doing good sales over here. Let's continue on. Let's see some great parts. We've got Craftsman sockets over here. $25 for a set of Craftsman, $30 for the deep sets. Wow. And that's half-inch drive. Nice stuff. This is the place to be if you want tools. Come on in. $15 for that set of ratchets. I've got $5 on the Allen sets. You've got small parts, you've got big parts, stuff you'll always use. I mean, $3 for a bag of terminals. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We've got this 1930 30 Ford hood. Let's see how close I am. 3031, 225. Nice shaped hood, very solid hood. I like that. Got the front end over there. Check out these. I love these. These are from the 50s. $5 a piece. Rods Illustrated. How to simplify progressive linkage for triple carbs. Reworking and power products. 2-cycle for peak performance. Adjustable rocker arms for the Chrysler B engines. Car style, speed and style. This is really neat. Look at that. 59 original approach to top favorite. Expert solve your problems. More pages. 3 customizers. Restyle the Impala. Rodding and restyling. How to make your car go faster. Special dragster wheels for $20. This stuff is great. $5 a piece. Really cool. I like those Pontiac hubcaps. They're so heavy, it's ridiculous. Oh, look at that nice Studebaker pad. That's cool. Budweiser, you see a lot. $2.50 for the Impala wheel. Nice, nice, nice. I like the SS center column. That's Impala also. I've got Hot Rod motor trim from 1961. Preview of the cars. The Chevy 409 Futura. The Skylark, the Jaguar, the Sprite, Austin Hill Sprite 2, that's not the Bug, and of course the Corvette, and you know what that is? Beautiful. $5 a piece. Motor Trend again, look at the new T-Bird, the Bullet Bird, that is great. Bonneville Speed Week. Datsun Sports Car, Datsun Sedan, new TR4, Buick V6. This is great reading, folks. You want to learn about history? That's the way to go. Check this stuff out. This is nice. This is the mirror. Check it out. Look at the phone number. Let's see. Phone 94. This is Houston, Missouri. You could put down your oil, your lube, and your battery right there on your mirror. That is great. Fargo Dragway, Jenkins Competition.
The license plates are
All you wheels there. All of you wheels.
Is your stuff? Yeah.
Cool beans.
From the local?
That's
No,
what I
that's, I have some trophies at home.
I'm not hard to talk to. Like
Yeah, they're trying to
We've got manifolds here. 69 Z28, $600. 71, 72 LT1 for $450. Small block 125. Big block Chevy. These are factory 074 aluminum heads, 1200 the pair. I know you're going to salvage over some of this stuff. Force valve covers. Those are chromies for AMCs. We got cores over here. Collies. 150. That's an 850 over there. 150. 250 on that Holly. Nice, nice, nice. The Carter AFB, $100. That one is new old stock, it looks like, for $175. And you have your way. Three-inch diameter. I love it. This stuff means power. Super Winch. Oh, the special Headman headers, Mustang. How much are the headers? 150. Not bad. 150. You got WeatherTech for 99. Cool stuff. How you doing?
Howdy. How you doing out there?
Oh, having fun. This is great. This is absolutely great.
This is very nice. Good stuff to see and buy today, so have at it.
Oh, definitely. Well, I'm just showing off. So I posted a video last night, so hopefully more people come in. So let's continue on here. We love it. Little RV, $8. Great stuff. The carpeting. You always need carpeting. 165. That's for a 70 through 73 Camaro with automatic. Nice. 65 through 70 Impala for 155.